Alrighty, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to those that celebrate such a holiday. Now, before I indulge in all this food, y'all know what? I'm about to go to the gym right quick, man. Get me one in. I'm a carb backload today. Yeah, it's crazy because it's like 70 degrees. Look at the sun out, guys. It's got to be 12 o'clock. My neighbor done raked his leaves. That means I got to rake mine. But right now, let me go get one in, man. I do not want to indulge in all this fats, protein, and carbohydrates until I stimulate my muscles real quick with some deadlifts, baby. Oh, no! Oh, my God! They freaking closed, man! I thought they was open on Thanksgiving. That's not a car here on the lot. Oh, my goodness. What am I going to do? I'm still going to eat, but I didn't get a workout in. I have to get, they told me they closed at 2 o'clock. It's only 1. Oh, my freaking goodness. I'm freaking pissed! Oh, righty, guys. What a big wasted trip, okay? Now, even though it's right up the street, still was a big waste of time. I don't know why I didn't think to call up there or check the website first, but oh, my goodness. I can't let this, I think we start eating around 3 or 4 o'clock. I guess I can, no, I'm not finna rake no leaves, but I got to get some kind of body movement in. I can run up and down that hill. That's what I used to do when I had my bike. Damn, my bike is at the job. All right, I have some weight equipment back here, so I can do some home stuff, guys. Yeah, you spend most of your time at this place, you might as well make the best out of it. Of course, me, I spend more time at the shop, seem like, but at any rate, I haven't been back here in a while. I do need to rake some leaves. Oh my goodness, there's leaves everywhere. Ah, ta-da! Yeah, I got a little small gym back here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do some house chores, okay? Yeah, I'm finna do some house chores after I get my workout in. Before I eat, I want to work out before I eat. I'm fasted. I haven't eaten anything, so some compound movements will be a great idea right about now. And then indulge in all the, whatever is in the kitchen. I can act just the same. I can do some, I don't know, you guys are car people. We car people. It's a car channel, I know, but I'm talking fitness right now. And all I'm doing is, all I had plans to do was compound movements anyway. That's a deadlift trap bar right there. I can press using this press bar and get some chest in. So I can get some legs, quads, and chest in. And back using that trap bar. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't need no stinking gym. And after that, I may decide to grab the rake and rake up some leaves. Yeah, it's getting pretty, goodness gracious. See all these trees? That's where all them leaves come. Yeah. Guys, anybody here know? I got to get up there and I'm going to clean my, this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to get up there and clean my gutters. Guys, do y'all know the risk? Again, I'm sorry to the hardcore car people. I know it's the car channel, but we're talking. Do y'all know the risk of leaving your gutters like that? If the water has nowhere to drain off your roof, it can eventually work its way into the house. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, my goodness, it's real bad right there. And I have a ladder already right there. So I'm going to take my butt up there, clean off my roof, and clean out the gutters. Because I don't know if I should do it now because the tree's not done. You see, these leaves will eventually fall. Ooh, that tree right there is super tall. So those leaves got to still fall. That's what most people, they don't want to start raking their leaves until... Oh, it's bad right here. Oh, my goodness. I got to clean this off. And this tree, look, this is my neighbor tree. So is he responsible? If his tree fall on my house, is he responsible for my house? Yeah, we got homeowners insurance, but still, who pay? And all his trees, all his stuff is falling. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. All right? No JT the car guy today. It's JT the house guy. My goodness. So I'm gonna play house dad today. You remember the AC unit I had to get? Yeah. If your house still uses R22, yeah, you might as well. And you have a problem, they're gonna sell you an upgrade. Okay, they're not gonna. R22 is like dying, but there's some people, like, for all I know, that's my neighbor. It's probably one R22. I don't know, but he got two because he got two stories. My house is like a ranch style, one level and an attic, of course. But this is enough to supply my. Damn, how the leaves find their way in there? Oh my goodness, these leaves are brutal. I paid a lot of money for this thing. I could have fixed my old unit, but like I say, I couldn't find no Freon. It was too expensive. So the dude was like, man, just let us put an updated, you know, like car refrigerant, keep changing. We had R12, R134, now we up to 1234YF. Yeah. So, but history on that. Old PT wheel. I'm going to clean up around here. That's what I'm going to do. Again, no JT the car guy today. I'm going to get these rags up. I know y'all probably wondering, what the hell is he talking about on the car channel? My garage door still not working. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Did they leave these here? Y'all know what these are? Your boy doing Pentastar jobs at home. Rock arm still laying in the freaking... I did that rock arm job on that Jeep. I gotta get some gloves on. I did that rock arm job on that Jeep. Right here. Yeah. You don't gotta let the car up in the air and do no freaking rock arms. I'm the same JT at the shop as I am at the at home. Okay, yeah, my skills don't stay at the shop. My skills travel with me, guys. Alright. So now I'm gonna make this my thumbnail, but people are gonna associate this Jeep with a Pentastar. This got a 2.4 in it, the 4-cylinder multi-air. Although some of the Cherokees have the 3.2 baby Pentastar. So yeah, this has just been out in the rain. I replaced all, when I'm doing side jobs, I replace all the rock arms. I don't replace the lifters unless my customer have it in their budget. Guys, I'm gonna say this again. I've never had a problem with a lifter, ever. I've been doing these since they showed up, 2011. All right, but that don't mean, some people want a peace of mind. So if it gives you a peace of mind to also replace all the lifters, go for it. You don't have to do what I do. I just like to tell you what I do. My opinions. I give you my opinions in my videos. Of course, my junkie work van, that I am now looking for another van. Because the van, I still have ride share aspirations. So I'm thinking if I get a new van, I might want to dabble into ride. No, I'm done with that. I need a newer van. This van is already junkalized. In other words, yeah, I can't restore this van back to normal. I got engines and transmissions and motors all in the back. Look, school books, and yeah, this is already labeled a junkie work van. So I'm gonna get like a 2016, 17, 18, 19 Caravan, same one, but I'm gonna be doing videos inside of it. So I'm gonna make it a little mini studio. So that's the plan for my. It's just a junk work van. Okay, it's all right to get a car and dub it a work vehicle. That's exactly what it is. There's nowhere to sit in here. All right, I'm talking junk everywhere, all the way back here or back here. This is a 1-passenger minivan that was designed for 7 passengers. Can't nobody get in here but me. All right, let me get this trash can up, guys. I'm out of time. That's my time. I'm gonna get out of here. So y'all enjoy y'all holidays. That's just my neighbor asked me about that Jeep the other day. Only thing, that Jeep take a DRB 3. All right, my scan tube won't even talk to that Jeep. All right, my neighbor right here had he's asking me about his Ford something. Then my neighbors find out I'm a mechanic. They get questions in their mind. All right, I don't want to bore y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all holiday. All right, I don't see none of my neighbors outside. I'll catch up with y'all later, man. We're still doing a live stream, maybe. I don't know. A game or something gonna come on, but we'll see. Y'all stay tuned, man. That's all I have.